Good morning everyone. My name is Rohan. I am from 5th grade. Today I am presenting a topic on parts of a flower. Flower is the reproductive structure of a plant. Sepal, petal, stamen, pistil. Sepal. It is the outermost leaf. It is the outermost green leaf-like structure. It protects the flower during the bud stage. Petal. These are soft, thin, and brightly colored parts that attract insects. Stamen. It is the male reproductive part of a flower. It, con- it contains filament and anther. Pistil. Pistil is the female reproductive part of a flower. It contains ovary, style, stigma. After fertilization, ovule become seeds, ovary become fruit. Thank you.